Hey everyone, this is Glenda from Beads Gone Wild. I just wanted to do a little video on how to connect a strip of cubic right angle weave. This is a new colorway I'm doing of the Prague kit, which is available from beadsgonewildstore.com. And these little beads were made by connecting a strip of cubic right angle weave and then embellished differently to. So what happens is you have a strip of cubic right angle weave, and remember these are our heads. So if you haven't watched the video before of how to do cubic right angle weave, that might help. So these are the heads. Now I've gone and stitched the two green ones in here opposite each other for clarity in the video. If you had all the same color, you could mark your beads by tying a little piece of string around them. But you want to have these two marked, and then if we were to follow this down all the way, it would come over here. You want to make sure it's straight, and that would be the corresponding one on the other side. So there's our two ends face to face or side to side. I'm coming out of this bead, and we're going to make a circle of 4 beads between those two. So I'm going to pick up a white one so you can see it. I'm going to go in this direction, pick up another white one, and go in this direction. So now we've made a right angle weave unit around these two. And I was saying, if you haven't watched the other videos, please go and see how the basics of how to do cubic right angle weave and variations. So what has to happen now is we need to connect these two, doing the same thing that we just did, putting one in between each side. However, we're going to go ahead and move over 2 beads. So now I'm exiting this green bead over there. I'm going to pull it together just slightly, not all the way, because I want you to be able to see. And I'm going to pick up a white bead, go through the green one over here, pick up a white bead, and go back through the same bead I was exiting in the beginning. So I've made a circle of 4 beads around those two. When we pull it tight, you can see that there's now a right angle weave unit there. So what's happened now is these are connected and the one on the bottom side are connected, but each side, like here's a side, these are not connected together. Like the white beads are just loosey-goosey there, and I'm in this green bead. So I'm going to go to the next pink one, which will, it's like when you give the high fives, you go around that group of 4, puts me there. And now I will do a circle. The beads are already here, but I'm going to go through the white one, through the corresponding pink one, back through the white one, and back through the one I was in. Okay. Now I'm going to roll this around again. This was the side I already did, like in the very beginning, but I will go through this bead to give it a high 5 to get over to here, to get over to the next bead, which is this one. And now I need to stitch these up. The beads are already there. Sorry, I have to move this for my, I'll go through this, which is not connected to those 2 pink ones, go through there, go through this white one, and back through the one I was exiting in the beginning. Now it's totally stitched up. Now you would just go ahead and reinforce anything that you need to, but you can see that we have a connected cubic right angle weave circle. Oops. Okay, thank you very much, and keep on beading. Have a great time. We'll see you again soon.